Colour in landscape CAD drawings can be defined in a number of ways. Here are some sort of fairly abstract designs for what might become a logo, but if we look at the circle here and select it, you can see that its colour is 208, 208, 148. That's an example of a colour defined. Let's jump in here and select colour. That's what is referred to as a true colour. So we've put the values for red, green and blue in the box down here, and in that case 208, 154 and 42 are just typed in that box. You can also define colour in terms of index colour. This is a numbered system, so if we pick that one as colour 85, this one over here is colour 10, and these are the standard AutoCAD colours: colour 1, colour 2, 3, 4 and so on. They're the colours you would find in many old AutoCAD drawings, and they're there. So colour can be defined in quite a number of different ways. Let's unselect all. What we've done in this particular drawing is adjust the transparency of those colours. So if we pick the circle here, you can see its transparency is 150%, and let's pick the brown orange stripe running through there, its transparency is 175. So you can play with these numbers. Let's put that one up to say 225, and it should become much more intense when we use unselect all, and there's a much more intense if we compare this polyline that runs through here, which has a fill, and this polyline here, which also has a fill, but the two have a different transparency intensity. You'll find that when you produce a PDF file of a series of designs like this, and we'll do that in a moment, that if you keep transparency above about 150, your resultant PDF file will look quite acceptable. If you go much below there, the PDF will be a little faint. So let's go File and Save as a PDF. We'll pick Window and High and put a box. Let's zoom in there, and why I'm playing with this is I want a white border, and I'll call it Transparency and replace the test one that I did, and my computer now switches to the PDF viewer, PDF reader rather, and you can see the effect of different transparencies. So that produces quite a nice PDF effect. So you might choose something like one of these panels as an abstract logo, put some text on top, and there's your logo, which can be used in a number of different CAD drawings. So colour is important, a couple of different ways to specify colour, and in combination with colour you do need to be aware of transparency. There's another aspect to it, and that is that if, say, let's move again, if we pick this circle, you can also say to entities that this circle has a border, and we can set the border colour. I'll give it sort of a dark red colour for its border. Unselect all. Can you now see that we see the actual border of the circle, and that can be also a useful device when designing such things as logos and whatever. So a single entity can have a lot of different properties associated with it that relate to colour and transparency.